the truth about work and artificial intelligence. Who's at risk of losing it and what to do now? AI doesn't just eliminate jobs, it shifts them, reshapes them, and makes them unreachable for those who don't have the right skills. This is structural unemployment. Demand isn't missing. What's missing is the match between what companies need and what workers can do. In this case, the old recipes don't work. Stimulating consumption is useless. The real cure is continuous training, learning new skills, updating old ones, reskilling for the roles that are emerging. The numbers are clear. 40% of jobs worldwide are exposed to AI, with peaks of 60% in advanced economies. Some jobs will become more productive, others will lose value. Those who adapt will win. Those who stand still will be left behind. And let's be clear, this is not a local issue, it's a global one. The impact of AI cuts across the US, Europe, Asia, Africa, and here in your city as well. No country can opt out. The level of exposure changes, but the dynamics is the same everywhere. Skills that age quickly, roles disappearing, and new roles struggling to find trained people. That's why we need serious policies, paid time to study, recognized credentials, incentives only if they lead to real new jobs. Transition centers that don't just tell useless courses, but actually deliver re-employment. And at a personal level, well, we can't wait for someone else to solve it for us. If we want to avoid being left behind in 1 or 2 years, we need to start now. Learn to use AI tools in our field, understand which part of our jobs can be automated, and focus our energy on the tasks that remain human. Build a mix of basic digital literacy, analytical skills, and soft skills that machines can't replicate. In practice, never stop studying, experimenting, upgrading. AI is not a passing crisis, it's a global paradigm shift. We can either suffer it, letting inequality grow, or steer it, using it to lift wages and productivity. The difference will come down to one thing only: our ability to adapt.